Hi there, Dave Forster with Adster Creative, and in this video, we are going to talk about
the role of your website's speed in its search engine ranking.
So, we've covered at great length how things like great content and optimized meta titles and snippets and all kinds of technical factors affect your search engine rankings. However, one thing that Google is looking to very extensively at the moment is user experience when it comes to ranking your website. And of course, one of the huge effectors of user experience is the speed of your website. Users these days want things fast, they want it right now, and your website has to be able to deliver in that way. So when we talk about the speed of your website, there's really two fundamental factors that are going to affect the speed of your website. The first of which is the hosting environment. Your website has to be physically located on a computer referred to as a web host. We want to make sure that this hosting environment is high-tech and quick. Ideally, we want to have your website on a dedicated server, not a shared server that's shared by thousands and thousands of other websites that could be slowing your site down. Number two is the physical location of this server. Ideally, if you're located in Alberta, you want a web server that is located ideally in Canada and not at the other end of the world. This is going to help improve speed a little bit. Number three is the actual specifications of this server computer. How fast is this server computer itself, and how fast can it deliver requests and deliver your website to your visitors? And the second area of website speed really goes down to or revolves around the coding of your website itself. A lot of websites these days are built on content management systems. CMSs like WordPress and Joomla and Drupal, and of course, Flex CMS. The way that a content management system works is database and dynamic driven. CMSs pull information together from a number of different resources to build your website every time somebody requests it. So the efficiency of how well these content management systems pull together all the different parts of your website and show it to a visitor can have a very important impact on speed. Second, in terms of coding efficiency, is the semantic level of markup. Getting into a little bit of geek speak here, but essentially when we're talking about a website, there's the visual end of your website that people see, and then there's the coding and kind of the backdoor stuff that is powering the website. And this is referred to as semantic web design, where we keep content separate from presentation. And the more semantically your website is marked up, the faster it's going to be. Number three is something that is overlooked by a lot of people, and that's optimizing your images. We want to make sure that pictures and images on your websites are compressed and optimized. We don't have a giant 8,000 pixel image that's squished down into a little tiny thumbnail. This is going to slow down your website for your users, and it really provides no value whatsoever. So those are the two big factors that are involved with website speed. And if you have any questions about speeding up your website, our door is always open. We'll see you back here soon.